Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating the project and wiring the live wallpaper service so the system recognizes it. Start an Android Studio module targeted at SDK 33 or higher and add the wallpaper service entry in Android Manifest. XML. Once done, scaffold an engine subclass to handle surface callbacks and input. Make sure to enable foreground rendering path or OpenGL support now if you plan animation. This prevents later API mismatches. Run an initial debug build to confirm the service registers with Package Manager before adding rendering logic. You now implement the core rendering loop and user interaction. Decide between Canvas for simple 2D, Surface View for threaded draws, or OpenGL for performant visuals, each affects lifecycle handling. Once chosen, implement surface created, surface changed, surface destroyed, and on visibility change to start and stop the draw thread safely. Add on touch event in Engine to support taps or parallax. Optimize by using delta timing, a fixed frame cap, and object pools for bitmaps or meshes so performance and battery life remain acceptable. You finish by packaging previews, thumbnails, and finalizing manifest metadata so the chooser shows correctly. Test the wallpaper on multiple devices and API levels, checking orientation, dose, and battery impact. Adjust frame caps and suspend when invisible. When publishing, ensure signing and store requirements are met. If something goes wrong, inspect Logcat for security exception, missing service registration, or surface thread leaks. These are common. Reproduce the failure, add try/catch around rendering, and validate lifecycle callbacks to resolve crashes quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.